What's up guys, Viper PV here, and today we have our January 2020 quad box. So it's our first quad box of the year. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this and see exactly what we got for this month's box. Alright, so looks like we got 3 sets of, looks like these T5146 yellow props. 3 sets of those, and they're T-motor props. And then we'll pull the stickers out. Looks like we got some FPV stickers. FB is freedom. And what is this? This just kind of tells you what you got. And then looks like we got for this month a T-motor flight controller. Must be the boost for this month. It's kind of disappointing it's not an F7 or something like that. I would be honestly more surprised. Alright, let's get this stuff out of here. So let's look what we got. So here we go. Pretty much standard F4 flight controller. Nothing really too special about it. Kind of disappointed in this box a little bit. See how the shirt comes out. Get that out of the package. Alright, so the shirt's looks like this here. It's like a giant prop and it has a whole bunch of CLI commands inside written in here. That's okay. And yeah, I mean our tool this month is just a quad box prop removal tool. That's pretty much it. So that's it for the January 2020 quad box. Unfortunately, I'm a little disappointed in it because of the F4 flight controller. I was hoping to at least get an F7. I mean, we're in 2020. So yeah, so subscribe if you haven't already. If you don't already, I do FPV subscription unboxings. I do quad box along with FPV crate. So if you're interested in seeing what you get every month or just curious what everybody's getting, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like. And comment down below what you thought of this month's box. And we'll discuss. So I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.